watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some beautiful fall decor ideas for your living room. As the weather gets cooler, there's nothing better than making your space warm and inviting. We've got some easy and stylish ideas to help you bring the essence of autumn into your home. Let's get started. Add warm-toned throw blankets and pillows. Enhance your living room's comfort and style by layering throw blankets and pillows in warm tones like rust, mustard, and deep orange. Opt for materials like wool, knit, or velvet to add texture. Mix and match different patterns such as plaid, chevron, or solid colors to create a cozy, inviting atmosphere that reflects the essence of fall. Use natural elements. Bring the outdoors in by decorating with natural elements like pine cones, acorns, dried leaves, and branches. Place them in glass jars, bowls, or vases for a rustic centerpiece, or create a nature-inspired vignette on a side table or mantel. These touches not only add texture and warmth, but also connect your interior space with the beauty of the fall season. Incorporate candles with fall scents. Set the mood with candles that have rich fall scents, such as pumpkin spice, apple cinnamon, or vanilla. Group them in different sizes on a tray or a mirrored surface to reflect the flickering light and create a cozy ambience. The warm glow and seasonal fragrances will instantly make your living room feel more inviting and perfect for the cooler evenings. Layer area rugs. Consider layering rugs to add depth and warmth to your living room. Start with a larger neutral base rug and layer a smaller, patterned rug on top, preferably with colors and designs that echo the fall season. This layering technique adds a dynamic, textured look to your floor space and helps to create defined areas in open plan spaces. Decorate with pumpkins. Pumpkins are a quintessential symbol of fall and can be used far beyond Halloween. Choose a variety of pumpkins in different colors like white, green, and traditional orange, and sizes to display on your coffee table, fireplace mantle, or even as a unique centerpiece. Incorporate some painted or fabric-covered pumpkins to add a creative twist. Hang a fall wreath. A fall wreath isn't just for your front door. Consider hanging one indoors above your fireplace or in an entryway. Choose a wreath made of dried flowers, berries, leaves, and small pumpkins to bring a pop of autumnal color and texture. It's a simple, yet effective way to bring seasonal charm into your living room. Add a throw blanket ladder. A blanket ladder not only offers a practical storage solution, but also serves as a decorative piece. Place it against a wall in your living room and drape several fall-themed blankets over the rungs. Opt for blankets in different textures, such as wool, fleece, and cotton, in a mix of fall colors and patterns to add warmth and style. Use plaid patterns. Plaid patterns are a timeless fall staple that adds a cozy, rustic vibe to your decor. Introduce plaid through pillows, throws, curtains, or even a small upholstered chair. The key is to balance it with solid colors to prevent the pattern from overwhelming the space, creating a harmonious blend that feels both traditional and fresh. Display fall florals. Brighten up your living room with floral arrangements that capture the spirit of fall. Combine sunflowers, mums, dried wheat, and eucalyptus in a rustic vase or pitcher for a natural, vibrant display. These florals not only add color, but also bring in textures that are reminiscent of the harvest season, perfect for a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Add metallic accents. Gold and copper accents can beautifully complement the warm colors of fall. Use metallic candle holders, picture frames, or vases to add a subtle shimmer that catches the eye. These elements add a sophisticated touch to your decor, creating a balance between rustic warmth and modern elegance in your living space. Create a cozy reading nook. Transform a quiet corner of your living room into a cozy reading nook. Choose a comfortable armchair or a plush, oversized chair. Add a soft throw blanket and a side table for books or a cup of tea. Include a reading lamp with a warm light to create a comfortable spot perfect for relaxing with a good book as the weather cools down. Use rustic wood elements. Incorporate rustic wooden elements to bring a touch of nature and warmth to your living room. Use a reclaimed wood coffee table, a wooden tray for displaying candles, or a stack of firewood as decor near a fireplace. These pieces not only add a cozy, cabin-like feel, but also introduce texture and natural beauty to your space. Display fall-themed art. Switch up your wall decor with fall-themed art to give your living room a seasonal update. Consider framed prints of autumn landscapes, watercolor leaves, or vintage-style botanical illustrations. Changing your wall art is an easy way to reflect the season's colors and themes, giving your room a fresh look without major changes. Hang string lights. String lights can create a warm and magical atmosphere in your living room. Drape them around windows, along mantles, or over a mirror to add a soft, ambient glow that's perfect for fall evenings. Choose lights with warm white or soft yellow bulbs to complement the cozy, inviting vibe of your autumn decor. Incorporate faux fur accents. Add a touch of luxury and warmth with faux fur accents like pillows, throws, or rugs. These pieces can make your living room feel extra cozy and inviting, perfect for snuggling up during cooler months. Opt for neutral tones like cream, gray, or brown to blend seamlessly with your existing decor while adding texture and warmth. And that's a wrap on our 15 fall decor ideas to transform your living room into a cozy, inviting space this season. We hope these ideas inspire you to embrace the beauty of autumn in your home. Don't forget to share your favorite ideas in the comments below, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home decor tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and